Hi there! Welcome to this short movie where we'll explore the one pattern to rule them all, the Toyota Improvement Kata or Lean Improvement Kata. Once you know, you can never ignore its power ever again. Stay tuned. Just the word improvement alone is exciting, isn't it? Well, with the Toyota Improvement Kata, you can improve just about anything, from processes and collaboration to structures, strategies, and even how you grow your products. It's the one pattern to rule them all, the one class all others inheriting from. So how does this magical pattern work? It's simple. We start by setting a goal for improvement. For instance, if you're a coffee shop, maybe you want to improve your latte art. Who wouldn't love a beautiful heart shape in their morning cup of joe? Next, we analyze the current conditions to determine what's hindering us from reaching our goal. Maybe the problem is that we are using the wrong type of milk. Once we understand where we are starting from, we can set a target condition that we can achieve in a short period of time to get us one step closer to our goal. From there, we define experiments to try and reach our target condition. Maybe we'll try different types of milk or steaming techniques. The best part, the Toyota Improvement Kata is cyclic, which means we continuously go back to the goal, the current condition, the target condition, and experiments to make adjustments as needed. This puts us in a continuous flow of improvement. Now, let's explore how the Toyota Improvement Kata can rule other areas of our work lives. For example, in Scrum environments, we can use product backlogs to identify product goals we would like to achieve sometime in the future. By examining the current product capabilities and usage statistics, we can identify what's missing, set target conditions, and define experiments to close the gap. With sprint review sessions, we ensure the continuous reflection on the value brought to the market and adjust where needed. Team-based Scrum boards are another excellent example. By making the current situation and changes that are needed visible on the board, we can identify tasks that need to be completed to reach our next day's target condition. And with daily Scrum events, we can ensure we're continuously making progress. Evaluating if we met the target condition set forward, identifying the next target condition, and distill actions to make it all happen. Driving us towards the goal set forward, of course. Two more software development related scenarios where the Toyota Improvement Kata pattern can be applied. Refining needs and wishes for a product and refactoring old code, for example. In both cases, the process starts by setting a goal and examining the current situation or product architecture to gain a good understanding of the context. Then, a first step forward is identified that is achievable in a short time frame, a single multi-team sprint for example, and brings value insights into the next steps towards the goal. This step is identified using analysis practices like impact mapping, story mapping, example mapping, or 4C modeling for example. As the process continues, insights are gained into what, where, and why, making it easier to extract smaller product backlog items for next sprints to come. In the case of refactoring old code, the goal is generally defined as a full rewrite, and the current conditions are mostly well known. Constraints such as a single sprint time box are added to define what the best thing is to get closer to the rewrite. The first target condition is many to come. From there, small adjustments in existing code are discovered to make porting to the new technology and architectures easier, and small backlog items are distilled to move forward. The Kata approach helps to solve the problem of full rewrites, taking months and requiring a huge migration project to kick it alive in production environments. But it's not just limited to Scrum environments. You can also use the Toyota Improvement Kata to drive change. The first step is to establish an engaging purpose for the change. Without would just be embarrassing. Then, the current conditions of the organization are examined in relation to strategy, structures, processes, people development, and incentives to identify obstacles and opportunities for improvement. Next, capabilities that need to be developed are identified, and smaller goals for improvement kata practices are separated. For each capability, a goal and strength metrics are established to measure progress. At first, the metrics provide insights in current conditions by means of visualizing existing trends. From there on, short-term target conditions are set to establish thresholds for these metrics. Based on this setup, actions and experiments are identified to influence the metrics. The Improvement Kata overview is revisited every few weeks to check impact and adjust course as needed. In a nutshell, the Toyota Improvement Kata is the ultimate pattern for making continuous improvement in any aspects of your work life. So, what are you waiting for? Start setting goals, identifying current conditions, and experimenting today to unlock your full potential. See you along.